Thank you.
Janjay.
Yes.
Hi, Janjay.
Hi. Kumusta?
Mabuti ako. Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Wow.
Opo.
Are you Filipino?
I'm Filipino.
Oh, you're Filipino, but how come you have this accent? Different kind of accent.
Philan.
Philan. Oh, okay. So you were born and raised in the States, in America?
Opo.
Oh, so when did you come back? When did you arrive here in the Philippines?
Permanently, I moved here 2 years ago.
Oh, 2 years ago. So you're not very fluent yet in Filipino.
Hindi, but I'm actively learning.
Oh, you're learning. Okay. You know, I will just notice something. Okay, I hope you don't mind, but do you mind if we ask something personal?
Sige.
Are you sure?
Opo.
I just noticed. Yeah. We noticed something that it's different. Your ear here doesn't look natural.
Yeah,
Can
it's
you tell us more about it?
it's artificial.
Oh, why? What happened?
So I was born with one ear.
One.
Well, there was no cartilage. There was like skin. It was disfigured, but I had to have surgery on it when I was younger. So the cartilage in my ear came from my ear. And yeah, I had 4 surgeries just to make it look aesthetically because I don't know, my parents didn't want people to pick on me. Yeah, yeah, I can hear here.
Sorry to ask that. I just want to ask you. I just noticed it's quite interesting.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you for sharing it with us.
Oh, my pleasure.
Yes. Okay, regarding your singing, I just think that you need to flirt more. You know, when you're on stage, you need to flirt with your audience. What I noticed is that I did not see any interaction from you to us. It's as if you were singing to yourself. That's what I noticed. But vocal-wise, it was good. It was good. But what I want to, I think that I could advise you, I could give you is, when you're on stage and you have that kind of genre, you have to be able to, flirt with your audience a little bit. Especially as women, we like to be flirted at. Agree? John Jay? I think we have to see their scores now. Okay. Is there anything else you want to add? Kuya Benny?
Yes, of course. I like the voice. I agree with Jane should look sexy kasi sayang naman yung ating muscles, di ba? So, para mas, the audience will enjoy your singing. Range, I like the range. Actually, yesterday, it was only a line and I said yes. If I still remember. So, yes ako.
Ako, I've been a fan since yesterday. For a beginner, have you been singing? Like when you were in the States?
I was singing, but as a hobby. It was, I finished school and I started working, but I've always been in a band because it's just been something that I've always, it's part of my life. So it's like my release from working, something that I could get away to and just enjoy life.
That's good. It's like Jamie, I wanted to connect with the audience, but it's definitely a bliss. Ang galing ko kapatid! Di mo